Today we are making delicious marinated chicken, grilled in the oven and served with golden, flavorful potatoes. The potatoes are oven grilled, as you can see, and the chicken is marinated. So first, we're going to soak our pieces in 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add some soy sauce, and then we're going to prepare the marinade. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon, turmeric, paprika, this one is a favorite of mine, coriander, ginger, black pepper, white pepper, add some oil and then start stirring the marinade. This marinade should be as thick as possible. Stir and stir and stir up to desired perfection. And then place your cleaned chicken piece by piece in the marinade, as you can see, and start coating them thoroughly. Just a point to note, you should coat each piece until it is well covered. You coat piece by piece thoroughly, you coat it well, you make sure it's covered in the marinade. I used dry spices, but if you also have other spices that you want, you can use them. Okay, so that's the process of marinating. You marinate piece by piece. You can see I'm massaging piece by piece, covering it completely. Here we go. And then we're going to freeze them by putting them in the refrigerator. And then we're going to start preparing the potatoes. So while our chicken is in the fridge, we are prepping potatoes. You chop them into wedges. Yeah, that way, into wedges, into small, medium-sized wedges, if I can say. And then you're going to sprinkle some salt on it. Now our chicken's ready. And now it's time to cook. Going to set up the oven. So we'll have some flour and a pinch of salt to give the chicken a coat. My kids normally tell me, "Mom, you're cooking the KFC style." So here we go. We cut piece by piece with the flour just to give it the thickness it needs, as you can see. You do it up to completion. Yeah. Lovely, isn't it? And then time for the oven. Now we are doing an oven setup. It was preheat to 200 degrees Celsius. And then I kept layering the tray to different levels because of the heat. So I baked it for about 40 to 50 minutes. And the potatoes came out crispy and tender. You can see the chicken, it's also crispy and very tender and well cooked. As you can see, hot, it's hot. You can see the steam sizzling hot. So that's it. I think we're ready. It's hot. It's hot, baby. Extremely hot in there. So finally, we were done. And then we came back for our potatoes. Well cooked, as you can see. Delicious. This is how we actually ate it. That's my daughter. She really likes these baked potatoes, and it's my specialty. Watching, like, share, subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you.